A comfortable and stylish steering wheel will improve your time in the driver's seat. We'll go over the installation of the new YourGrip steering wheel series for Freightliner Cascadias. You need these tools to complete the installation: steering wheel puller, sockets, ratchet and extension, torque wrench, and a 10mm hex driver. Before removing the old steering wheel, test and confirm the horn is working. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery. Remove the original horn button by pushing and twisting or unsnapping by pulling. Remove the 3 horn contact plate screws and wire. Keep track of the springs. They'll be needed for reinstallation. Disconnect the ground wires for the steering wheel controls. Remove the controls by gently prying upward. The ribbon cable sits in a slot across the top of the wheel. Carefully remove it. Remove the steering wheel bolt using a 10mm hex driver. Mark the shaft to indicate the top/straight ahead position, especially useful on older trucks. Note: on 2020 Freightliner Cascadias, a special wide spline ensures the wheel can only be installed in the straight ahead position. Remove the steering wheel by applying gentle upward pulls on the left and right sides until it slides off. On older trucks, use a steering wheel puller to press it free from the shaft. Remove the horn ground cable from the original steering wheel. Installation steps: place the new steering wheel onto the shaft, aligning it on the wide splines so the hub is centered in the straight ahead position. Install the steering wheel bolt and tighten to the vehicle manufacturer's torque specifications using a torque wrench. Reconnect the steering wheel controls by gently pressing them into place on the left and right spokes. Seat the ribbon cable into the slot across the top of the wheel, then reconnect the ground wires. Install the horn contact plate using the 3 bolts, ensuring the springs are seated properly under the plate. Connect the horn wire to the contact plate. Connect the steering wheel control cables. Install the horn button by pressing it firmly down into place. Reconnect the battery, then test the horn and steering wheel controls to confirm everything is functioning correctly.